Hello, beautiful people. Thank you for tuning into Vital Rich Concept. Today, I'm going to show you how this beautiful packaging was done for small business. So make sure you watch to the end to learn the whole secret. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we'll be packaging popcorn in roll using our factory nylon or our industrial nylon. Yeah. Get our WhatsApp link from our bio to place your order for our industrial nylons. We deliver anywhere you are in this world. We deliver globally. We deliver throughout Nigeria. We deliver throughout Africa. Get our lined surface sealer and get our smooth surface sealer. Yeah, get them. These are the things you need for your packaging. Get our heat gun sealer, get our impulse sealer, and get our branding course so that you can brand your product like a pro. Get our stamping kit to help you do basic branding on your product without requiring any help from anybody. You don't need to be running up and down looking for somebody to brand for you. Get our WhatsApp link from our bio to place order for all these things. So this is our popcorn. So the first thing to do, you cut out your measurement from your nylon rule. Yes, okay. Now this nylon rule is 7.5 inches width. You can see it's 7.5 inches width. The width is 7.5. Okay. So you cut it out from the nylon rule, but I've already done that. So this is it. So you cut it out. I've already measured what I wanted. What I wanted was 24 inches length. That's the length of the roll. So what I did, I cut 24 inches length into two places. That's one for the front and one for the back. So here you need to cut nylon, two separate nylons, which are going to join later on. So the entire length of my roll is 24 inches. Then I even added extra 2 inches or 1.5 inches, so I won't have any kind of shortage. So you can see it. So that's the length. So you cut it into two places for the front and the back. And I open up the nylons and then join them together. So remember, when you're joining them together, join the sides that sealed. Both sides do not seal, so you have to make sure you are joining the sides that can seal together, or else it won't seal. So you join the two edges together, then you use your smooth surface sealer to seal. Yeah, make sure they are equal, then seal up with the smooth surface sealer. Remember, the mini hand sealer seals very hot, just like industrial machine. It's actually an a factory machine for small business. If you're not careful, it can burn your hand. It seals very hot. Okay, so after sealing that edge, so you make sure everything is well positioned, that they are equal. Okay, just like I'm doing right now. Then you now start sealing the side. So we're going to seal this side now, still with our smooth surface sealer. So you seal it up. All right, you seal up. Remember, the mini hand sealer is actually like a factory sealing machine for small businesses. It's actually meant to be used with industrial nylon. If you use it on any other nylon, it will burn it up. So you can only use mini hand sealer with industrial nylon. Okay, so you seal the sides and seal it very well with your smooth surface sealing machine, just like I'm doing right now. Okay, now once you're done sealing that side, you now seal the other side too. So you can see now we are sealing up the whole sides. So that's 4 side sealing for you. Okay, so we are sealing it again, sealing up the other side with our smooth surface mini hand sealer, which is very powerful. You know, that is very small, and it doesn't mean it's a small machine. It seals hot, stronger than any impulse sealer. You can't start comparing this with impulse sealer. No, this is stronger than impulse sealer when it comes to sealing. And remember, like I said before, you can only use it with industrial nylon. If you use it with any other nylon, it will burn that nylon up. All right, so I've sealed both sides now. Okay, now it's time to add the item I want to seal. So I cut out the popcorn, the company sealed popcorn. I cut it out. The first one, pour it inside our nylon. This is 50 naira popcorn in Nigeria, but you can equally do this for 100 naira popcorn. You can see this is 50 naira popcorn. I've added it. Okay, I've added the popcorn. All right, so with your smooth surface sealer, you now seal up, then extend your hand inside, so you can seal both the, you know, the middle part and the outer part. So the same thing, you repeat the same thing the other side. Okay, So you seal first with your smooth surface, then you top it up with your line surface sealer. Now this will double the sealing and still give it that design that you need, that will make it look like industrial sealed. You can see it now. You can see it. Okay, so you add the next item, the second one. Okay, so I'm actually getting the factory sealed product, so you can see the measurement I'm using, the size of the content, so you understand that there is exactly the same content, the same quantity that the company sealed. That is what I'm using here, you see. So remember, this is 15 naira popcorn in Nigeria. Okay, so you do the same thing, you repeat the same process, okay, with your smooth surface sealer first. Okay, you seal with your smooth surface sealer first, then top it up with your lined surface sealer. Remember to extend your hand inside so you can seal both the outer part and the middle part. So I cut the third item, I pour it inside like I'm doing right now. Okay, the same process continues. You seal first of all with your smooth surface sealer, then repeat the same process the other side. Okay, top it up with your lined surface sealer to double the sealing and at the same time to give you the design that will make it look like industrial sealed. All right, now I had wanted to seal 6 sachets in one roll, but I was not able to get up to 6 popcorn, so I have only 4 popcorns here. So this is the last one, so I pour it, then I seal with the smooth surface sealer. Okay, so I repeat the same process like before. Right now I have excess nylon that would have contained another 2 sachets. So what I'm going to do now, I will just cut out that excess since I couldn't get more popcorn. Okay, you can see now. So this is our roll of our roll of 4 sachets of popcorn. So the next thing is to add your label, which is your paper sticker. Okay, so I've added the labels now. I've added the label. You can see our product. Isn't it beautiful? Beautifully sealed, packaged, beautiful. So you can use this to seal any bulky products that you want to seal in roll using industrial nylon. This popcorn will remain crunchy and fresh. There is no way air will enter it. You can equally use it to seal 100 naira popcorn in Nigeria. So you can place your order for your mini hand sealing machine and your industrial nylon to help you practice what you are learning from this video. Yeah, thank you for watching my video. Watch out for my next video.